Hi, I will introduce you some simple tool in the test run. This is the fan, big fan, and the scale, and this is for temp, this is for RPM, and the valve, the pressure meter, and this is the stand, and different turbine we use different like this, the fixed ring. Of course, you don't need like this. You can use a simple stand, and this is the RPM sensor, and the others is the radio control and a fuel tank. So it's not difficult, but of course when you test the engine at your place it will make big noise, so you may need a big pipe like this. And this is the balancer, the computer balancer, very precision. And we put the turbine on the stand. This is the RPM sensor. You can see the light. When it spins, you can measure on the screen and use the drill and how to spin. Oh, okay, so the unbalancing will display on the screen, and you can use the tool to balance it. And we will provide you some computer software, and you can fine-tune some parameter or upgrade the software for your ECU and the GSU, the display unit. And you can change some parameter. When you do some surface, you can reset the running cycle, change all parameter. And this is our repair table. You can see the turbine is only built by some very simple parts, not so many. When you assemble all the parts together, it can will like a new one. Most of damage is crash. The crash will need to change the wheels, or when you do some the change bearing service like this, when you open apart the wheel, you must balancing again. The others repair, for example, only change the control board or starter, or even the can or the tailpipe. You can change at your place. No need the balancer. And what the tool you need like this? Only some simple screwdriver and iron and the gasoline cleaner. You can buy this at your place. And this with torque measure. This is the fix the shift. We can provide you all parts like this, the spring and any washer, any o-ring, different size. This is all special made. You can fine-tune the turbine. This is the injector. Different size of injector. We can provide you this injector. is cheap. Actually, all parts is cheap. And very few chance to change the combustion chamber. Normally, the turbine must running after 50 hours or even 80 hours to change the chamber. So you don't need to prepare many spare parts at your hand, but some very simple parts you need to prepare about 1,000 US dollar, like the simple, like the starter or different screws.